Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good afternoon to one and all. Today, Department of Agricultural Engineering (DIT) is organizing a webinar on the topic Advances in Farm Mechanization. We are having Dr. Mukesh Singh, who is a principal scientist in ICAR, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, to talk about the topic. We welcome you, sir, to the Parul University.
Thank you very
And
much.
start, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. As introduced by Madam, myself, Dr. Mukesh Singh, working as Principal Scientist of Pharmacy and Power in the Livestock Production Management section of Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Ajitnagar. So, dear friend, we'll talk something about what are the advances which takes in the livestock farm mechanization. As we all know that there are tremendous mechanization has been occurred in case of crop production, or you can say in agriculture farm operations. But in case of livestock farm mechanizations, the status of mechanization is not as much as we got in the crop production system. Uh, though there is a tremendous scope, let's see uh, what is the current scenario of livestock farming. As we see that livestock farming is the single largest contributors to the Indian GDP as well as in the employment. The productivity in the sector is 6 times below than its potential. It may be because of the poor yield of the animals. There is a gap between the existing yield as well as the potential productivity of these livestock. The yield is low due to the inadequate dairy management, poor animal husbandry practices, and also the poor feed and fodder availability for the livestock. Livestock farming have generally been slow in the shifting their focus because of uh, the several biological issue which plays in livestock farming rather than in the crop farming. Early detections of disease reduces the cost of disease to the farms and increases the length of animal lives. We can compare it with our engineering maintenance because the preventive maintenance is more cost effective than the repair maintenance. Similarly, if we have detect the diseases earlier, then these cost of detecting earlier disease and their preventive measures are cost effective than the actual treatment of the disease. Technology that can help catch cows in heat can have a huge impact on the dairy profitability because uh, to know the heat and then insemination is a great task nowadays, especially in the organized farm. And quality management is another issue uh, which one has to do for improving the productivity of the different grades of animals. As we all know that livestock system in developing countries like India are characterized by rapid change and driven by factors like population growth, increase in demand for livestock products as income rises, and because of the urbanization, we are more dependent on the livestock products. In future, there will be a high pressure on livestock sector to meet the demand of livestock products, fueled due to above drivers of development change in the scenario of climate change. Developments in research, production infrastructure, and encouraging government policies acted as catalyst for the technology growth in the animal husbandry. Our past few decades, animal sciences research has offered a number of technologies options that could raise the productivity of different livestock species, but impacts have been slow and sporadic due to various managemental and other issues. So livestock sector will need new tools, new techniques to meet up these challenges. Uh, as we all know that automation means the complete mechanization, which may include any improved tool, implements, machinery, or structure that assist in the enhancement of workers' output. Mechanization multiplies the human efforts, supplements or substitute human labor, avoids drudgery or stresses that adversely affects human mental fatigue. Human mental fatigues, which leads to error, imprecisions, and also hazards, which eventually losses the efficiency of workforce or labors. So, to combat uh, mechanization refers to interjection of the machinery between man and materials handled by them and that ensures quality of hygiene. There is tremendous scope of mechanization in every unit operation of the livestock production system, post-harvest and food processing units, because it is a barren land. Uh, there are several unit operations in livestock managements. So for each operations, we are having either equipment or systems or advancement. So in this table, you can find for feeding, for milking parlor, for animal identification and monitoring, and for heat detection. These are the equipments which we are either practicing or they are available for utilization purposes. For feeding, we are having automatic concentrate dispenser, automatic milk replacer dispenser, electronic data acquisitions of amount of feed dispense per lactation on mobile feed mixer dispenser. Other and monitoring identification of each and every animals are needed and managing the animals. So we are using basically our techniques, our devices, our equipments entire and mainly takes the data from animal identification and monitoring units. Easter dissection sensor, electronic heat mounting detectors, vaginal conductivity meters, meter and activity meters, different types of meters are available recording heat.
मैडम सर को बोले ना ज्वाइन होने के लिए, कहीं ज्वाइन होने के लिए।
हाँ हाँ सर बोल रही हूँ।
दिख रहे हैं आप भी। फोन फोन पकड़े हुए दिख रहे हैं आप। एंटायर स्क्रीन क्लियर करें पहले।
हेलो मुकेश सर।
हाँ सर, आ
हाँ
गया।
सर, आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो आपका।
अच्छा क्या हुआ? आ गई।
ओके, अब प्रेजेंटेशन
Should
मोड
I
में डाल
start?
दो सर। तो प्रेजेंटेशन मोड में डाल दो।
Okay. Okay. Sorry for disturbance. So now we are seeing the type of electronic identification systems. There are ear tags, implants, and bolus. They are the transducers. You can say transponders, which receives the data. And then there are the several types of the handheld readers, which gives the number or the information which are captured by the animals, and these are the processing unit where we receives this type of information for further processing and management purposes. In this slides, you can see how this identification process takes place. The transponders, which had been either fits in the ear or subcutaneously in the body of the animal. Sometimes we put the coins which are this chips, RFID chips, which receives the signal through the reader, and the reader also having input and output devices directly signals to our data accumulator, and with the help of software we can know what is the status and what to be done based on the already developed software. With the old data as well as the present data, it compares and gives the instruction what farmers should do or our farm managers should do for the care and management of the animals. Now there are different types of automatic feeders. There are two types of feedings. Dynamic feeding, it saves the feeds based on the daily milk recording. Online and adaptive model dynamic feeding has been developed to estimate the individual dynamic milk its response. So this feed depending upon the yield of the animal. For actual individual milk yields response to concentrate intake. This response is estimated using an adaptive dynamic linear model. These are based methods which directly takes data from your animals, and based on previous studies and the methods, it compares and gives the exact amount of the feed and fodder, and sometimes it automatically shows the amount of the feed and fodder depending upon the status of animals. Different type of complemented calf feeding equipments or calf feeders are also available, because calves are the future generation of our cow. So calf management is one of the very important essential activities of any livestock farm. And if we manage our and so in observed that less feeding dangerous, or you can say non-profitable management practices. So, because of the weaning system, calf is not taken from his mother or from the cow. We take the whole milk from the cow, and depending upon the requirement, body status, age of the cow, we supply the milk to the calf. So these things previously used to be done by the manual. Okay.
हाँ सर, हाँ आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो. हेलो मुकेश सर.
Yes.
Hello.
कर दूं? आ गया? Screen is showing?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, we are able to see you. You
हाँ,
can share the
मैडम
screen.
बताइए.
आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो सर.
ओके. नहीं, वो तो ठीक है. थोड़ा बैक जाऊं या यहीं से कर दूं? ओके.
हाँ.
ठीक है सर. हाँ. So again there is an interruption. Sorry, this is all because of the technical problems, which is not in our control. So, friends, we were discussing about the total mixed based feeding system. Dairy feed management aim is to provide cow daily their required amount of the protein, energy, nutrients. That means balanced ration. Which is very much lacking, especially in case of our Indian livestock. So, with the help of these total ration machine, we are able to mix equally or desirable of these things, and we feed to the animals depending upon their metabolic requirement. Because previous data were only on based on one or two parameters, but they are not sufficient. Now these systems are working on the basis of the latest data, depending upon the metabolic status of particular cow. A partial milk ration with individual concentrate allocation meets the requirement better, and is the strategy used in robotic milking by Lilly. However, supplying each individual
Excuse me, Mukesh sir.
how the हाँ जी बताएं मैडम.
सर आपका स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं
हेलो.
है, तो आप एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो आपका.
ओके. Please share. Is it visible?
It's coming.
Hello.
Yes sir, yes.
Hello.
So can you please move the slide?
कर दूं?
It's
आ
gone.
रहा है?
It's gone sir. नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं आ रहा?
नहीं सर.
तो आर्टिकल का तो है रिटेंट हेलो.
Yes sir.
Coming. Hello.
Sir, the slides are not visible actually. Can you move the slides, sir? One or two slides.
एक्चुअली ना इधर बहुत चार स्ट्रॉन्ग आ गया है, हो सकता है कनेक्टिविटी की प्रॉब्लम हो. माय इंटरनेट इट्स कमिंग एंड वी आर able to see Tripathi sir and this icon also. You are presenting to everyone the messages are, and they said that is sharing your screen. Google.com is sharing your screen. Hello.
Hello, sir.
आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. You are presenting to everyone.
हेलो.
The slides नहीं दिख रहे. हाँ, okay, fine. Done. So you can continue, sir.
So we were discussing about the partial milk ration system in which we are considering each and every individual cow rather than the in group. However, supplying each individual cow the specific type and amount of energy to meet her in a real-time data requirement is considered, which is more efficient and maximizing the individual feed efficiency. So, in these type of equipments are also being utilized in precision livestock farming. Here you see this is the precision feeder. Individual cow is getting sufficient amount of concentrate before meeting, and in the right side you see it is a machine, and in this line feeding system you see cows are waiting, and this TMR machine is feeding this all TM ration on the ground. Are now very mean here, no need of giving separate mix everything with fodder, and we are offering for the now I already told this computer controlled feeders are available. The in very depends on the management from the high demands are made or causes cost not only require a man or careful moving the peak of, but also they are required to feed a fundamental बेटा दरवाजा बंद कर दो, धूल आ जाएगी। दरवाजा बंद बहुत आ रही है, लाइट ये बंद करो, वो वाला बंद करो। Hello. So we were discussing about the computer controlled calf feeder, or in system we are able to feed the required amount of the milk and with the utter hygiene and taste. This type of the fats are much in Europe. People taking it and developing find our so type of feed and here you see the automatic feed dispensers, and this is nose pump type water. When the cow comes and it puts nose. Sir. Here you see the selling equipment, washing equipment, small and pet animal, and you say these are the equipment which the pleasant animal behaviors also very much pleasant for around, because in modern dairy system this scrubbing activities is in individual the farm do things, but here group is full time. Area of freedom is 360 degree. So depending upon the requirements, cow moves up forward and backward and side by side. It gets the uh, uh, scrubbing and grooming activity. Weighing is one of the very important uh, activities at any farm. This is the way we can get what is going on and what is the effect of our feed and fodder on the health of animals. So we are fortnightly weighing for that things start develop the in the farm. Is advanced type of the machines has been which gather the identifying identification number and the weight and direct send the its weight on to the software. So, it takes the time labor as well as in the mental activities. Is the biggest are mostly very lamb. Third one this in any five cow in a by almost lamb with part white 20% is by laminate food. Methods develop and the methods
Yes, sorry about the interruptions that is happening. There's a severe storm at his place. That's why sir is having many network issues. He'll probably be joining us soon. We are extremely sorry that we will have to stop this webinar here because of the prevailing weather conditions. Sir is not able to rejoin us. He is having severe network issues. We will be rescheduling this webinar for another day, and we'll let you know the rescheduled date soon. So thank you for joining us. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Nice day. Bye.